What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Today I got a $690 box. Kind of excited about this one. This is one of the most expensive boxes I've had in a couple weeks, so hopefully we have some good stuff in here, man. 690 bucks. Last box I had was a little lower end, but these were, to me, are one of the medium price range boxes I like. I've always had pretty good luck with them. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box from a company called Soul Supremacy out in the Bay Area of California. It's a members only program. Memberships are closed. Don't know when they're going to be open. Make sure you follow them on Twitter to stay up to date on that. Just for the new subscribers, man. Like I said, 690 bucks. I'm not gonna waste too much of y'all time. We're gonna jump right in this one. Hopefully have some good stuff. I normally have really good luck with this price range, and I'm hoping that luck continues. Off top, box look good. Off top, man, I got like a DMP Jordan 1. This is a size 10 DMP Jordan 1. This is the bread, as you guys can see. Pre-owned. Does have some star loss on the bottom, but overall they're in pretty good shape. The DMP bread still go for a pretty good amount of money, so I'm not sure exactly, but I sold a pair of these before out of a beater box. I'm gonna have to do some research and see what they're going for nowadays. But this is a pretty clean pair. It does have some star loss on the bottom. I was trying to get the camera to pick it up and focus on it. Don't look like it wants to focus. Got half a pack. That's a good way to start off a box. Size 10 on those. I got some red Nike boxes. We got an Air Max 90 Ultra Essential in a size 9.5 on these. Air Max 90, the Ultras, a little lighter than the leather pair. Still has Nike Air on the insoles. These are pre-owned, but they look to be in decent shape too. Check out the bottom. Air Max 90. Red and white colorway. I think it look a little bit better with red laces, but that's just me. Size 9.5, nothing too special here. I haven't seen that colorway. Got another red Nike box. Hey man, as long as I don't get no size 15s in this box, I'm gonna be happy, man. If y'all seen that last video, straight Sasquatch box. Size 11 on these Air Max 90s. Alright, these are cool right here. Size 11 Air Max 90. I think these are called the South Beaches. I seen these on Twitter when they first came out. I was actually, I'm not a big fan of pink, especially on my shoes, but this is a pretty vibrant color, and summertime is right around the corner, so somebody probably want them. Air Max 90, not dead stock, but check out the bottom, still really clean. This is a pretty nice pickup, man. Size 11, my size. Don't think I'm gonna be keeping them though. So those should be up for grabs. Got a Jordan box, size 10, and we got an Air Jordan 1, but it is a mid. And like a wolf gray colorway. Air Jordan 1 mid. These are pre-owned also. I haven't picked up a dead stock shoe yet. Air Jordan 1 mid. I'm pretty sure these don't hold too much value. Mids normally don't. Check out the bottom. They're pretty clean though. Not too many creases. Or no creases really in the toe box. It does have some star loss on the bottom, just like the breads. but overall not too bad. Size 10. Another KD. I got a KD in my last box. Or I'm not sure if I filmed that box or not, but I have 2 pair of these now. This is the KD 10. This is a size 11. KD 10. I do not know the nickname for these. I'm actually a fan of the KD 10. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. These are dead stock. These are pretty clean, man. I like the KD 10. I think I just like the big thick rope laces. Kinda remind me of the Jordan 11 laces. These are clean though. They're blue pop. Got a red line down the middle. I'm not sure what the nickname is. Like, to me, these look better than the new KDs. I mean, have y'all seen the new KDs? Alright. Size 11 on those. I'm not gonna keep them. I got 2 pair left. I'm gonna get this box out the way. This is a 10.5. This is a Jordan Future. 3M Jordan Futures. I don't know if, I can't remember if that's the name of them. I've had these before. These are pre-owned. Pick out both of them. Size 10.5. Some people be hating on Futures, but I remember a lot of people was wearing these. I've never personally had a pair, but I mean, I've sold a few, but I've never worn a pair. They got the Jordan 11 bottoms on them. Just not too much to show here, man. It's a pretty plain shoe. I mean, I think that's all 3M material at the top. Size 10.5. And the last shoe, you guys probably know what it is. This is my 3rd pair of these in the last 2 weeks. I had a box I didn't film that came with these in the same size, and I can see the colorway. Same one as last vid, and they are dead stock. So not something I would want to keep for myself personally, but these do. I mean, it's gonna bring back a nice chunk of change back from the box. These are the Inertia Yeezy 700s, dead stock. Still have the tags and all that stuff on them. So Supremacy must have bought a bunch of them, because I've been getting them. Like I said, it's my 3rd pair in the last week or 2, so they move instantly though, so I'm not mad at it. So between these and I'm thinking those DMP ones will bring back a pretty good chunk of change out the box. So I don't know the value of most of this stuff. You guys will know down below before I do. If you I get all my prices and stuff off eBay and Gold and StockX, of course, and try to run it like that. If you guys see anything in the video that you want, hit me up on my email at TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram at TGOTSOLE, or on Twitter. And if I still have it, it'll be yours, man. Everything with the box would be double box shipped out. As always, thank you guys who watched the last video, put in orders for everything. Everybody was happy with it. Shipped all those orders out, and everybody's pretty happy with it. So that's what's up. I think that's gonna do it, man. Hopefully another box next week. We'll see. If not, I will have some sort of video. I got a few shoes sitting around here, so I might just do a video of some of the stuff I got left out of beater boxes if I can't cop a box next week. And I think that's gonna about do it, man. Your boy is about to hit this gym. You probably can hear I'm a little under the weather, but still gonna hit this gym and try to get it in one time. Make sure you guys follow me everywhere. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and all of that good stuff, man. And I'm out. Peace.